Just as worship flags is a prophetic language, movements are also a language that God uses to communicate. Psalm 91:4 says, He will cover you with His feathers, He will shelter with His wings. His faithful promises are your armor and protection. I'm Andrea York with Catch the Fire Worship Flags, and this flagging movement tutorial is called Under His Wing. Confidently use worship flags to visually demonstrate the word of the Lord. It looks simple but can be tricky to keep the arm movements from getting mixed up. I'll demonstrate. Arms are extended forward, shoulder width apart, with palms facing each other. When your arms and flagpoles are parallel to the ground, move them across your body. Switch the placement of the bottom arm in a wide, over-exaggerated movement to avoid getting the fabric tangled. The bottom arm swings back across the body over your head while the top arm shifts position from palm facing down to palm facing up as it moves to the bottom position. When hands are in position again, shoulder width apart, parallel to the ground, move the flags across your body and make the switch from top to bottom and bottom to top again. As with any double-handed movement, your dominant side will feel more graceful, but with practice it becomes more comfortable with both sides. Check out our other flagging movement tutorials for movements to help you elevate your praise to the next level. This has been your 1-minute tutorial to help you know how to use worship flags.